How to check Boomplay streaming stats, like your artist dashboard. Right. So first of all, you must make sure you are using the Boomplay artist account. I'm going to drop the website below that you are going to click. So this website, you're going to navigate the dashboard. I'm going to log in first of all to navigate the dashboard, and then you'll see your stats on streams and listeners and the revenue. So I can also read it out to you: www.boomplay.com slash boomplay for artists. So when you click on that, you navigate the dashboard, you get to see your stats, and then you see percentage of listeners, revenue you make, and all statistics you need. You're welcome.